Hello, everyone, and happy Saturday. Welcome to Module 15. This week, we will be covering Chapter 15 of our textbook, and that chapter covers using portfolios for communication with families and looking at the child's interaction with adults. So, as usual, please go ahead and look for these four key points of reading chapter 15. You should be able to answer these at the end. We are going to be covering family involvement. The chapter also covers or actually provides a guide for all communication with families, and it's really good. And it talks about being personal and being positive when you're communicating with families. Also, our ethical responsibility to families, which I really want you to dive into NACCE's Code of Conduct because that's going to really help with our ethical responsibilities, right? And then we also talk types of written communication to families. And then it moves on to utilizing portfolios for progress reports and child studies, which is very important. You're going to learn who contributes to portfolios, who can see portfolios, what is actually located within a portfolio, as well as what do we do with it when we have it complete. So it's going to talk a lot about portfolios and how to utilize those within the classroom setting. This week, we're going to cover all three of our SLOs within this chapter 15. And basically, to be successful within this module, you are going to read your textbook, chapter 15. You will complete your quiz, which is quiz 15, by Friday, May 21st, 11:59, and it is worth 10 points. You're also going to submit your observation 3 peer review by Friday the 21st. That is also worth 10 points. And then once you receive your peer review, you're going to go ahead and continue to update and work on your observation 3, which is due Saturday, May 29th by 11:59. That is worth 50 points. As you see, there's not a discussion board this week because I want you to focus all your attention on your observation. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding Module 15, Chapter 15, or anything within week 15, please feel free to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Um, and I can't believe that our time has almost come to an end, but you have all been doing so wonderfully with all the information you're gaining on early childhood. I appreciate all your time and your efforts. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'll talk to you all soon. Have a fabulous week.